Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. For today's video, I am continuing using up old paint, and I did have to mix some more white because, as a lot of you probably know, you use up way more white in paint pouring than other colors. So I used up the rest of one of my bottles of DecoArt Satin Enamel white and mixed in a little bit of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic white and then Floetrol. So that's the only one that's not technically left over, but I did still use up one of my containers. I am using some leftover paint from a recent paint pour. I believe this is from my Valentine pour. I might have to go double check that. I will write it down if I figure it out. And then some of the other colors I have are from several other paint pours. So a lot of pinks and purples and silver. And then I also have black, which is back there, and that is dollar store acrylic from one of my recent dollar store paint pours. That is mixed with Floetrol as well. I'm just going to go ahead and jump in and then we'll take a closer look. Oops, I just saw a clump fall in, so I'm going to try to get that out. Okay, I don't know if that worked, but hopefully the strainer actually helps with that. Okay, so I'm going to try to lift this off and put it onto a canvas that's still wrapped in plastic so I can rinse out this strainer. It's looking really pretty. It is coming off the side. Let's try this. Whoa. I'm going to hit it with my torch and then we'll start tilting. Wow, this is crazy. There's a lot of cells popping up in the black, so I'm going to try the torch again. Okay, so this is a really strange shape, and it's really interesting too. It almost looks like there's a spider web around here, which is pretty cool. And I do see cells forming, so I'm hoping that it'll change a little bit as we let it sit. So let's take about 10 minutes or so and then come back and take a look. Alrighty, it has been 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So here we are. Let's look a little closer. I see some crazy cells going on. So up here I see some of the cloud pour cells, and then some little tiny ones. I kind of think the black might be causing some of that. And down here, just some really crazy patterns. Like, look at these little tiny cells. And there's like lines of cells. This is really cool. And then these sort of distinct lines with faded color behind, I think this is what the strainer or colander does. And then we have some more cloud pour cells and some regular cells. This painting is just all over the place. These kind of delicate white parts look like flower petals or something. And then let's see the middle again. Wow. Very strange. I'm not quite sure how I feel about this because it's just so strange and so out of what I normally do. I'm not really sure how to feel about it. I think it will probably grow on me. Plus there's some metallic in there, so once this is dry it should have a little bit of a shimmer to it, which would be a lot of fun. It kind of looks like a jellyfish to me, like the underside of a jellyfish. Or maybe a grouping of jellyfish. It's been quite a while since I've done a strainer paint pour, and I'm really excited that I got to do it. This is a really cool effect, and I feel like every time I do a strainer pour, I never really know what it's going to look like. I mean, technically that's true for all of my paintings, but the strainer is a really big wild card. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. Click in the description down below, or in the cards if you'd like to watch more of my acrylic paint pouring videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.